Yes, guy, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great because we are doing great here at Goldmine Aroma. Yes, this is the company that sponsors the Sure Gold Show. We're making a akara today, and I'm going to explain in details before I take you to the kitchen and show you the recipe. So guys, are you just joining us? Thank you, welcome, relax and view the exciting content that we're bringing your way. And you know, in my previous video, you can refer to where I make moi moi, different types of moi moi. This one, I'm going to make akara. It's actually the same beans, but in Nigeria, we have most common beans, which is honey beans and drums. They call it brown beans. And I think I know that the difference between the two is one is bigger, and the other smaller, beautiful ones are which is honey beans. And this is the difference that they make, guys. You can actually use the two for everything, for cooking your beans porridge, your beans pudding, your beans cake. The beans pudding is actually moi moi, the beans cake is akara. The best beans for akara and moi moi is black-eyed pea. You believe that? Yes, your beans, your akara and your moi moi will be very fluffy. So guys, I'm gonna take you step by step to how we make our akara, that is bean cake. Honestly, I'm going to use the black-eyed pea. I'm soaking it for 30 minutes at least for it to be soft enough for the back to peel off. Then after soaking it for 30 minutes, put it in my blender. I have two ways of peeling. I showed it, I put this on my page when I was doing moi moi, which is bean pudding. So you can actually use the hand washed it, or you put it in your blender and crush it. The most effective way for me is to put it in the blender and faster and crush it. Our ingredient for the bean cake is the beans, like I've described. We have the habanero, because I'm doing 2 cups of beans, so I'm going to use just 2 pieces of habanero. My onions, I'm going to cut it into 2 halves. I'm going to show you the steps because I'm going to blend one of the half with it. Then the second one, I'm going to chop it to fry the akara. Then apparently I will use my red bell. I have 2 red bell for the 2 cups of beans. Then I have guys, I have my Goldmine Aroma mix for coconut rice. See, I told you this mix is the best for mostly akara and moi moi. Yes guys, this is the akara and it's ready now. See, fluffy and nice, and it's not so easy to make, you know. So what do you think your akara can go with? These are the 3 things I know for sure that akara go with. See the bread, hey, gari jebu, or and let me hear your thought. What do you think your akara can go with again? Maybe I can't remember now. So thank you guys for viewing today's episode. Always come by because we give great content here, you know. No, you can't miss it. You can't afford to miss it. So thank you. And subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you soon. Bye, love you. Bye.